Welcome back to Alternative Info AI. Get ready for a wild ride through the different types of AI, from simple reactive machines to potential world-dominating superintelligence. We're breaking down each type with a cheeky, sarcastic twist. You won't want to miss this AI showdown. Let's get started.
Welcome to the Ultimate AI Talent Show. Today we're exploring the different types of AI. Some are smart, some are scary, and some are just plain weird. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride through the minds of our future robot overlords. First up, we have narrow AI, the one-trick pony of the AI world. It's great at one thing and one thing only. Think of it as that friend who's really good at trivia, but can't figure out how to use a microwave. Whether it's recommending your next Netflix binge or beating you at chess, narrow AI has got you covered, as long as you don't ask it to do anything else. Next, let's talk about general AI, the overachiever we're all waiting for but haven't quite met yet. This AI is supposed to be as smart as a human, able to do anything we can do, but better. Imagine an AI that can write poetry, solve complex equations, and still have time to beat you at every board game in existence. Too bad general AI is still just a pipe dream, for now. Now, let's dive into the realm of superintelligent AI, the brainiac that could potentially outsmart us all. This is the AI that's so smart, it makes Einstein look like he's struggling with basic math. The idea here is that superintelligent AI could solve problems we can't even comprehend. Of course, the real question is, will it help us or decide we're just in the way? Say hello to reactive machines, the AI equivalent of a goldfish. These guys live entirely in the moment, reacting to the world around them with zero memory of the past and no clue about the future. Think of your Roomba, blissfully bumping into walls with no memory of the disaster it caused yesterday. It's simple, it's focused, and it's got a one-track mind. Next up is limited memory AI, the AI that remembers, sort of. Unlike reactive machines, this type can store past experiences for a little while and use them to make better decisions. It's like your slightly forgetful friend who remembers your birthday but can't recall where they parked the car. Limited memory, big potential, just don't count on it to remember everything. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Theory of mind AI. This AI doesn't just react, it wants to understand you. Think of it as a robot therapist trying to figure out what makes you tick. It's the AI that's supposed to understand emotions, intentions, and even have a sense of humor. But let's be honest, it's probably going to misinterpret your sarcasm and think you're in love with your coffee mug. Finally, we have self-aware AI, the holy grail of artificial intelligence. This is the AI that knows it exists, can think about its own thoughts, and maybe even feel a little existential dread. Imagine a robot looking in the mirror and asking, "Who am I?" Deep, right? But don't worry, we're not there yet. For now, your smart speaker isn't going to have a midlife crisis. So, there you have it. The many faces of AI, from the simple-minded to the super-intelligent. Which one will rule the world? Or will they all just hang out together, debating whether to make us breakfast or take over the planet? Either way, AI is here to stay, and it's going to be one heck of a ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your sarcasm detector handy.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.